Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to create a responsive portfolio website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. As you can see, it is our final project. Let's take a look at it. As you can see, the animations are looking good now. Let's scroll. As you can see, it has a nice animations effects. And it is responsive as well and mobile friendly too. Yes, let us inspect. Let's see. As you can see. So let's build it together. It's a beginner friendly project. You just have to know HTML, CSS basics. That's it. So let's go. As you can see, I have created a folder called portfolio and I added a folder assets here. It contains all the images needed for the project. Or downloaded it from Dribble and then. So let's create a index folder. Sorry. Index HTML and also style.css. So let's do HTML boiler template and title will be portfolio website. You can name as you want. So let's add some basic styling. Padding will be 0. Margin 0. Box sizing, border box. No border. I will give you background color of this one. I will use line height. One, I will be choosing font family called Rubik. We can go to Google Fonts and just search for Rubik. And here it is. I have selected regular 400 and bold 700. Copy this link tag and paste it in index.html. Now let's copy this and paste it here. Let's run Loy server. I will open it in. Oh, we did not link that. So connect. Let's add CSS file here. Link style.css. First. Now header. I will be using h1 and I will write my name h1 and then now list then link create anchor tag. So let's give it a class of now link and a class of now link. So Here I'm gonna write, oh, let's copy it down. One jobs, skills, projects, contact, skills, projects, contact. Sorry for the typo. Now keying. Okay. Okay, let's give a class name of now. So let's see. Let's design it now. I will be opening side by side. Let's reader. Let's give it a class name. Class name of reader. Select class name. Let me give you height of 5M each which is the choose. And display flags. Justify content space between. Align item center. So good, let's give some padding. Bottom margin content, and let's give it theorem. Looking good. That. You that. Okay, let's tab now about it's the flags. Oh, sorry, we have done this one. Now let's try this. Now list. Fine. It's then let's give a gap of 3 rand first. We will start now links. List style none. Next, we can now link. Now link also in non-link visited text decoration none, and let's do font size of 1.2 RAM. Here it is. This looks good. Let me change the color. In colors. Color will be this one. Next, add now link or now link active. Color will be this one, and let's look at it. Yes, it is looking good. Let's add a border. Let's add 2 pixels. Solid bottom. Sorry. border bottom, 2 pics solid, and paste this color. Let's see. Looks good. Let's add cursor pointer too. Cursor pointer. Let's add a shadow, box shadow, 2 pixels, 0, 2 pixels, 4 pixels, hashtag 0, 0, 0, and let's reduce the opacity to a bit. This is too much. Yes, looks good. Let's change this class primary heading. I'm gonna give it a font size of 1.5 rem. It's Toma 2 rem. Looks good. The head navbar is done. Let's develop other sections too. Let's develop about section. Let's create a section with class name about. I'm gonna make it a container, so division container, and in the container there will be 2 containers. One is image and another is text. So let's add an image. It is assets slash hero. Yes, my image with the class name of my image. Then let's create a division with about info. Here I will create a store with secondary heading. And my name is Sharon, or you can write I am Sharon or with your name. Let's make it when I am there be about text. I'm gonna copy this text and paste it here. So let's see, the image is all over the place, so let's give it a width. First about, I will give it a padding of 3 rem top bottom and 0. And that's right. Next container max width of 1200 rand, which will be 75. And margin of, let's give it something like 2 rounds and auto. So total 5 RAM. Okay. Next is let's wrap this into another division. Let's make it division. We need that. I'm always get that. So let's make it grid divisible. So grid 2 columns because we are displaying this side by side. So grid display grid. Wait, let's give a gap of 5 RAM. So grid to call grid template columns repeat to one frameworks. Let's view my image. Width of 7, let's say 70%, and see how it looks. This is not working. It's not working. Let's say 50%. And simply measured a semicolon minutes, so now it should be working. Okay, the image is too small, let's make it 70%. Looks good. Let's design the steps here. Justify content, let's be space between and align items center to make it vertically centered. So now secondary coding font size, let's make it 3 RAM. This is too much short. It's okay. Letter spacing minus 0.2 bit size. So I will make it pushing a span. Span. Hello. Let's do the class name of and name. Sorry. And use this color. So changing. The line. Take a result from color. Let me check this, which color is it? Oh, sorry. Let's use this color same one for science. People. So let's define this about text. Let's give it a font size of 1.2 RAM. Line height of 7.5. 7 something. It looks chill. Too much. Let's pay attention. I believe 1.7. And list of padding top of Toren. Looks good. Let's design this image now. Image. Box shadow. Which one 0 2 pixel 4 pixel as 0 0 0 and it is opposite to 2. Let's give it a border. Any border 2 pixel solid hashtag if there's this. But just make it 5 pixels. Border radius content. Let's do it from 10 pixels something. It looks good. Let's design other sections now. Let's design skill section now. So let's go to it. Create a section, skills, then a container. Then I'm gonna create a design card, heading. So let's from heading text something. Next H3 data reading. I'm gonna create. What was the headline? Stress and expertise. Skills paint expertise. Hello. I'm gonna create another layer called skills images. And the images put class name skill image. First one will be assets. Index HTML. Let's copy contents. You can change the images according to your skills. I'm gonna make it CSS. And JavaScript.
Overlay with data.
React. Another one is another one you guys just will see it. Alright. You can add more if you want to. So let's take a look at it. The images are spreading. So I wanna create skills. Give it a padding of for consistency. I need heading text. Make it text align center so that it comes in center. Next,
I hit
after referring So let's give a font size of 3 rem. So this is too big. Let's give it 2.5 rem. Okay. And skills, let's give it a background color of something. Background color. Let me take a look at it.
How that?
Okay. Environment, skills, images. Display flex so that image is shot side by side. Okay. Justify content space between alignment and center. Long skim image. Let's do it without firing. With close one in Howard tandem. It's too big. There's let's look at it. How much are you? 7.5 Malgus. 7.5. So as you adding top of code and let's make it 3. Follow it there and in background color of shuts out. Padding 1 rem. Thinking border radius 50%. Start. It's looking good. Let's do shadow. Box shadows. 0 pixel. It is 4 pixel. And 10 0 0 0. Very good. Very good.
Okay.
Alright. It is done now. Here's create project section. Section project, and then I'm gonna copy this. Let's create a container first, and I'm gonna copy this. I paste it here and change this to my projects. Let's give it a padding goals. Padding of 3 rem is always for consistency. Okay. So let's create, and it contains 3 columns because 3 cards side by side. Then we'll convert this one in. This create with template columns to be 3, 1 for a no division class card. First one is image. Let's say assets, app, web page, my project. Very next way, h4 class project main command app carrying a link. Let's give class name of close there link enter view project. I'm gonna copy there. So let's design card first. Let's add 3 cards side by side. Now card. Let's go class of project image card. Let's give width of, let's say 300 pixels. So 300 pixels into 300 sticks 90 RAM. Sorry. Crack 90 RAM. Display flex. Let's give flex direction column and gap of 1.2 RAM. It is looking good now, but distance is too much, so let's give it 1 RAM. And align item centers. Let us justify content center. Background color of FFF. And let's give a padding of 1 gram on sides. The padding for the radius of 1 gram. So in the front F5 petrol stall, let's say the project image width should occupy 70%. Too much, let's say 100%. Looks good. And here align items center so that text out Let's give a magazine button. Let's give it them on top of 2 RAM. So let's make it 3 RAM. Looks good. Let's design class project name. Project name. Let's give it a font size of 1.2 RAMs. First one, let's change it to landing page. You guys can add your projects. Landing page. Music app. Music app. E-commerce. E-commerce app. Let's project link. Let's give it color. Color of, let's say, bluish color. It does not look good. Fine. Alright, we have to remove text decoration. None. And then let's go border to images as well. Border that is 1 gram. I think it's no, this section is done. Let's add some box shadow to card. Let's say 0 pixel. 2 pixels. 6 pixels. Super 4. And let's reduce the opacity down. On that. Now let's add card.forward. The card should show up like this. Transform, translate X, let's say 3 pixel. Translate Y. Let's say 10 pixels. Looks good. Let's add cursor pointer to make it smooth. Let's add transition. 0.4 second is, it is not. scale minus 10 pixels. Looks good. Let's create section, contact, and let's create this container. And I'm gonna copy this tag, paste it here. So this is too much. Let's see how much animation I need first. Scale pulse. Transform scale 0.3 pixels plus 1% and 0.05. Yeah, looks good. It's done. Let's take it 0.3. Get in touch with me. Let's change this to get in touch with me.
What's the time on it?
Let's check with background color. Copy this one and give it a padding and background color. Now let's create a form and give it class name of form and the input type text then required and also add a placeholder. Enter your name and input of email placeholder. Enter your name. It's also required. This contact number input dot tell input type tell placeholder your short to sorry in your contact number, then let's add text area placeholder your message. So let's add class form. Oh, let's get display flags and flex direction column to display one below other. And I will give me gap of 2 RAM. It's too much, I guess. Let's say 1.3 RAM. Max width will be 800 pixels for now. So calculate as 800 divided by 16, 50 RAM. So I should wrap this in a container. Alright, let's go. Margin of 1 4M top and auto to make it center. Looks good to me. Let's see it is centered or not. It is. So let's design these inputs. I'm gonna target all this input and let's remove this. I given a background color of and remove the borders. Border radius is 7 pixels. I think it is too much, so let's remove this 1 RAM. Yes, it's less than 0.7 RAM. Let's make it 0.5 RAM. Alright. Now same with text area. Let's give this all the same properties. And column rows, let's make it 5. Say 7. And for margin top and bottom, let's give it 3 RAM. Looks good. Let's add a button. Button class button, send message. Let's target this button. Let's make it width, fit content. Padding will be 1 RAM, 2 RAM. Too much, I guess. Let's make it 1.5 RAM. (1.2 RAM). 0.8 RAM. Let's remove the borders. None. Background color of blue. Let's make it color while border radius 4 pixels. Let's make it center using align items center. Looks good. Let's make this button a little big with 1 RAM, 1.5 RAM. Let's add cursor pointer. Alright, This came out nicely. Let's add a footer section now. Footer class footer design class container design class container. Then I will make two containers, one for social media icons like this. I'll be using an icon. So icons next. I'm here ionic go to the usage, copy this and paste it in script section below the body tag. Now icons, let's search for Facebook, click it, copy and let's give it a class name of icon, and second one is Instagram I guess. Instagram and same class name. Twitter, or you can add your GitHub. Next, I will add a P section where I will add copyright this and call it class copyright. Now I will add a I'll make this a flex container, or let's make it great design footer section. Let's footer section display flex, justify content space between align items, enter. Looks good. Let's give a footer section some padding. We are giving almost every section of 3.2 rem. Alright, let's icons, give it a height of, let's say 1 rem, width of 1 rem, too small I guess, let's say 2. icon, that's icon. To big, let's say 1.5 rem, 1.5 rem. Okay, then let's icons display flags. So let's give him a gap of 1 rem. Then let's give them a padding of 0.3 rem. And I'm gonna give a background color of white. It's not visible. Then let's make it 4 and border radius of 50%. Looks good. Let's make it little gray color. Let's make it a padding of 4.5. Alright, this one now. Copyright. Font size will be 1.1 rem. Let's make it 0.8. Alright. That's it. The design is done. Let's add some animations and make it responsive in the next section. Hey guys, welcome back. Now we have completed this project. Let's add some animations to it. For animations, I'm going to use a JavaScript library called AOS.js. Link will be in description. Just go to these websites and scroll it. As you can see, it has a lot of good animations while scrolling. So in order to use this, you have to copy this link to the head tag. Wait, I'm copying, sorry.
Copy.
Paste. And then add this JavaScript file below. So now we have initialized the library. In order to use this, we have to add this. As it now we have initialized the library. So in order to use it and make the animations work, we have to use this card data.os. So there are a lot of options. I'm going to choose this fade down with some timer.
Wait.
As you can see, I'm going to copy this one straight at. Copy and paste it in. So I'm going to give it 1500. So let's check it works. As you can see, it is too slow, I guess. Let's make it 1000. 1 second. It's good. So let's add to skin section and let's make it fade down. Boom. See, as you can see, Let's add different animation to project section. I'm going to fade left to fade height. Copy this project. And it's thing parts. Yes, it does not look that much good. So I'm gonna draw this and just add some timer. It looks good. Let's make it shade up. And then copy same to the contact section and also footer. That's it. It's simple as it. Now refresh this page. As you can see, the animations will load up as soon as we scroll. It's not that good. It was. See, that's it. Now let's make it responsive as well. Now I'm going to use another CSS file, chorus.css, and I'm going to link it link.css. That's it. Now open this one here. So in order to use responsive ingredients, let's choose a size. Now I'm going to use so calculator. Let's add a breakpoint at 1300 pixels.
Fun.
81 yen.
Great.
And the out in Max first. Which will write terms. You have to make it 2,200.
But any pretty.
So does the container size. To max worth. Well, let's say 1,000. Let's make it 70 RAM.
I don't know. Take a think.
It looks good.
If you need to do it right.
So let's make this now sticky. There that top 0 position sticky. So It's not visible at all. Straight on. Back, we'll choose backdrop filter. And share 4 pixels. Side index will be okay. That's a good job. First we put done testing. It's cool. So now we'll start the breakpoint at testing. And it's 50 pixels. Align to these two. Banner bracelets. 72. Immobile already have. Oh, next start. Trying to toe and weird status the gap between them. It's too much gap. Imports containers. Max word will be sensitive version kit. For example, maintenance 67 gram. Human. Pursuit is the gap. Ending is gap. Good job. Let's say Darren. Too much Chinese. Let's go. Admin monitoring. Purchase zero. Apple. Let's do. Open firing. Let's go. Still but here to make it system fire. Looks okay.
And that's an to bring over the work.
Let's handle it. You said a media point. Okay. Hey, deals.
Okay. Make sure to go right.
Oxford. 68 M. Now, let's make this container. Involve chain threads. And let's do this to stall. So now, Android and 50, there was 16, 50, computer node, container, $54 and $54. So let's review. Here. Origin is what? They'll shut them down.
This thing. And have to
The scripted garage. With some other gap. Something is yes. Other two columns. Here's the air. A bit too. Then. Oh, hey. Drift. It's a thing bird.
When it's by the way it starts up and it hits, but it's a very product kind of around. But the other kind, which is
7.
oh,
Seen it, she is applying it.
wait.
It's expected. Wow.
But we didn't understand of one bit and entirely how and then
For the car we had too. It's in the size of card. Here, dude. Over it. 70 RAM. Less. Alright. 30. Margin. Red dose. 1 gram. It looks good. Okay, looks good. Let's check where the design breaks. Image. The script in there is touched. Smart is margin dirt. Keep the It is 2.5. Let's check.
Is it already?
968. Let's check primary income. There's a 1 point. Give it something.
Oh, confirm it goes to happen.
Having become
Or anywhere.
the gender the unit. Let's make it 2.6.
Here we I'm kind of
This secondary is
Colin technically.
totally. Let's did this my invasion.
Wearing
It is done bigger. Finish. We're 100%.
Screw it in the game. Oh,
Promo Chinese make it 90. 80. It's good. So let's add that. Let's add another red pointer for this design blocks.
Come on, you
60.
going on and
60.
that's true, Perry.
And where do y'all?
even down still 61. There's the rate, I'm not.
Perfect.
So on. Let's keep it down. $46. In actual $46. Let's change this cap.
You mean the
Programs. And there you have a trade is note. For 7. Still the bold thing. Design to its serve.
Okay.
Think sure. Let's change this square toe. and it is text.
They coming down.
1 grams. Cranberry spiders. It's a good news.
Because everything is different. But speed, it's up.
Work.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's do this to skills.
Yeah.
There's alienated doing 6.5. Okay. Let's add a button here. Let's design this in that. What is the normal? He knows that. Yes.
One.
Let's the stones coming. Illustrating but let's take care of this now bar now. First, let me add a button now. I'm going to ionic angle,
If people have come on.
ionic usage. This wheel I added in the last section. So let's just go search menu outline, copy this, and we're going to paste these inside here. After now, I'm gonna add a button and it called mobile now button and paste it. Give the class now open and add another item browser clients browser and paste class now close stay as now. Let's design these buttons and I'm going to add, let's say border now background none. Let's go to scenes. Icon mobile, you know, so that we can design both together.
That in the wall.
Let's set in width of 1.2 range, height of 1.2 range.
Head.
Everything of 1 gram.
And he can take the standard fish to the women are
Cut out. Can you give it this color?
We have to cut it in.
Small. Let's make it little bigger, like 1.5.
And do it going to mine down the
Okay. And let's hide this close button. You can simply do it using icon bar now.
and do the three to
Close. Outline. Display. Display none. So, alright. Let's design this. No, I'm going to leave all bar because it's the parent component of it. And do it position and show out top 0. Hide it. Or else, however, in first. Here, during the top. Let's change and the vertical both create. And bedroom color large.
turning of the order having a name into the separate may have been for the person.
First step. Make it 90.
And
Let's add it to next. 0, sorry, right 0.
they ready for what you're doing for.
I make it center by using display flags. Color items center. Then justify content center. Here's make it.
Type on in behind everything.
Then let's reduce some opacity to make it look like little transparent.
I said it was
Encourage their head.
and today they doing got it. I'm quite angry at that time.
Maybe your time.
That was important. Yeah, and you're attentive to it. Right, that's there's something. It's like investigating. Right.
Ice creamer.
Skip it. I know what now list. And all with it. Let him tell me. This flex direction calling. That's great.
But things with
Let's hide this for now. Display none. Alright. We will activate this later using JavaScript.
maybe a bit of that.
The Mongo is the sound. Let's make it quick and responsive. Let's change this way. Where is 17? Let's go just into sound we can.
Counter-identity.
Yes, great. Let's go on this gap. Hit cat. To make it this gap here.
Hey there.
Yeah, the plane is start there.
You have to make it.
First, so Aaron, yeah. Sounds stupid says. It's using calculate have to calculate. Star 62 roll 47 Got let's start from the bed at 5 D out in X in the 8 48 L's 8 L's. Let's change this. Great dress. This is in grade 2 column. Then make this one.
Continue.
Seeing it applying, I guess.
Yeah.
How did why did you end that?
Carrot. Somebody stop it.
Man, come on.
Let's copy this one.
Windows.
Paste it.
I just get rolling.
Okay. Looks good to me.
There.
2. Oh, what's this is? Wait.
Okay.
Let's close this down.
Yep, I'm there.
Let's close this down. Oh, sorry, I mistook it. Here it's another video point at next word start 48 and going to use this, copy this and edit. Paste the line. I'm going to this. It is 5.501. Oh, this is too much. Let's make it. Go to opposite section. With text timing. Center. To make it look at center. And about image size. Image. And let's relocate 50%.
Yes, like a
Justify content center and alternative center to make it vertically centered. Can all work with this stretch flex. Gets direction column. Great. Now let's give some gap. Let's share to them.
No.
For now, this is quick template. And for reality. Production ratings needed 40%. Is there? Oh. Let's study this burden to 2.5. Green hair, good. Correct how? Second. Connecting holes. Well, that's the line center. Insert it.
I'm loading on.
Change stone, let's make it too small. Total. Justify content center. Content center. Chunk.
Right here. I'm not good.
Let's use a navigation tool.
Filling out. And let's see.
And the
Good stay. Watching how fast one gram pairing both sides circle. And I just. Yeah, it looks good now. Looks perfect. There's too much gap, but there is this gap. So, writing here's use simply one branch. Applying the first in the current. I reach more strength 1.5 range. And under text. With building top off. And firing. Speaks the run. It looks perfect. Oh, let's add, let's save here the sentence.
we have everything.
And we have to do container size of, let's make it 600 something. Commented math.
Has with
And let's see. 600. 62 sizes, 37 times.
and don't have to know the edit.
Read. Looks perfect. The image is too small, I guess. Make it 50%. Perfect. So let's see. 30. So it's taking. In our code, it's just coming. I'm gonna copy this. Hiring. Make it like small, like. Right by the try.
Often forever, but get up with the that. And you got it.
Let's add another breakpoint at 600.
Mariel.
And then scoot. Title cell. Then. Named I'm gonna do it. Add container. In a max word. cost sustainability. Let's locate 5 and 31 times. And I'm gonna it's this great 3 columns. I'm gonna make it this way. And just stay that.
That will bring along any active uprising and the warrior of the great house of the wall.
We have scale.
Forward up.
And outside.
It's good. What is asked to become the center. Apart from that, it's perfect. Let's add this project section.
How does it?
Project. Continue. Need 3 columns. Just define content center.
Oh,
Created on
Center. Not okay. What is do? Something is
but you go.
included. Okay. Include. Justify content center.
explaining the
Content center.
I do that.
It was so simple textile and center.
I look under it. I have to ensure me link. Oh my god, I love myself.
Start out.
With fear, I'll be covered.
Still okay. I think of something. See, using. Let's continue. And a large string from you, Graham. Buried auto.
Run. Shouldn't it have one we have to go down to another town?
And there's Liam and Boulder cars. Oh, because of the word.
Right, then it has anything to attack on it.
Is
Wait, Millicent.
calling Pretty Rocket 15.
No.
Yeah, we're working like really awesome. Special display. Let's let's direction column.
we had a sounded activate.
Here to strengthen something. It's growing. That's the sponsor as well.
5. Then no one.
But then putting something in the head for it, or in for
Let's simply make it 80% so that
But I just turn
notice what comes in. Paint stirs image.
he was about to bed.
Key function. Rectangle. 0.6. Yellow. 100. Notice just prompting. Let's change this display photo. Above section. Let's direction common and Java theorem. Alright. Finally that.
You know what's wrong now.
Let's give it a background color for today. In the background color, return the make it a transparent. Okay, let's see. Perfect. Now the technical quotes. So we have to hide this. Now everything is done. Let's make this navbar work. So we want to hide this button as well. So we have to do is
Create a cool button.
and add this clone in that. Alright. Now random level screen size is for the mobile screen size, let's say 761. It is we want to show it. So let's say 48 and 48 and we have display clock. Alright, no, see. But so we are hiding it. And 60 and so let's hide there at 60 and now perfect. So let's make this button work. So for this we are creating a JavaScript file and add app.js and let's connect it. Script starting app.js. So let's select this button. Constant and but now button document dot code selector. I will select this button.
What is it?
Mobile. Now let's select this open. I'm gonna add a class called open here and close here. So let's select this button too. for close icon, I'm gonna call it now close and close. And let's okay. So the logic is when we click this button, we have to show the bar. So it is now open. So select now open and add event listener. So let's click event listener and it expects a function. So function. So let's select. Once you select, you have to show this navbar. Where is navbar? So let's select this navbar. Constant navbar document query selector navbar, and I'm gonna select this navbar and style dot style dot display is equal to let's say flex. So alright, so that's working. Now we have to hide this one. So let's now open style and select display none. So it is hidden. Now we have to show the close button. So now button, now close style dot display is equal to block. So now it is working. Now let's select this close button and make it work. So now close, add event listener, we'll add a click and function event. And now what happens is once we click this, we have to hide this navbar. So select this navbar and let's make it display none. So now we have to hide this one too. So now close button, you have to none. So we have to show this now open button again. So block. Alright, the function is working. So let's, if we have a click here and then we have to close this again. So I'm gonna set navbar and event listener, click, and it expects a function event. I'm gonna copy this and paste it here. Now let's see. Finally it is working. Let's see. The background conflicts. So let's change the header background. Background color, let's make it return transparent. This is too much. Let's run this one. Perfect. Perfect. Now we have completed this. You can change and add your projects, and you can also make it little small and add more your skills. And we can also make it this form function work or validate it using JavaScript. And you can please add your social links here I'm just leaving it as it is, just a demo. So you can add anchor link here and give your social links, LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, whatever it works for you. So alright, it is finished now. Looks good. That's it. Responsive as well. Alright guys, thank you so much. Please subscribe and comment and share with your friends. Thank you.